Hi there. Let's spend a couple of minutes looking at two ways in which a business can protect its intellectual property. We'll take a look at patents and copyright. Don't forget, intellectual property, whilst it's an intangible asset of a business, for many businesses it's crucial. Having an advantage in how they do things or in their content or their brand is all part of creating value, adding value and ultimately profits. So it's important that they protect, if they can, their intellectual property, perhaps to maintain a unique selling point, certainly to make sure that they maximise the returns on investment in that intellectual property, and potentially also to reduce the threat of competition. So two key ways in which this can be done. One is patents. Now, patents are actually quite difficult to get hold of. To be protected by a patent, your invention, a business's invention, has to be new. It has to be genuinely innovative, so not so obvious that other people with the knowledge of the subject could come up with it. It needs to be capable of application, in other words, made and capable of being used. And also there are certain exclusions that can't be protected by patents. However, whilst the patent process, the application process is painstaking and fairly costly, it's worth it if you can get that protection. Second area, copyright. And actually this is much more frequent, more common, particularly amongst businesses that are involved in the creative process. So media businesses, publishing businesses, design businesses. And rather than with patents where you have to apply for them, with copyright the protection is automatic and it lasts for 70 years after the work has been created. Widely used. A widely used protection of content and original work, and fairly easy to seek legal redress if you find that somebody has breached copyright. I'll mention just one more, not on the AQA specification, but it's also worth just knowing about. Trademarks are another way of protecting intellectual property. Trademarks, you'll come across loads of these as you interact with businesses, products and services. These are the words, the symbols, the logos that help define a business. And businesses, if they're smart, will register their trademarks, which means that they have the exclusive use to use them or license them for use by others, but that their registered trademarks are therefore protected. There we go. That's just a quick overview of some ways in which a business can protect its intellectual property.